This video walks you through how to add a label column in monday.com. Begin by signing in to your monday.com account. Once you are in, open the board where you want the new column to appear. If you work across multiple boards, take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct one before making changes. The label column will be added directly to the board you have open, so it is worth checking that first. With the board on screen, move to the row of column headers. At the far end of those columns, click the plus icon. This opens the option to add another column to the board. If your board has several columns already, the plus icon may be positioned at the far right, so you may need to look across the header area to find it. After you click the plus icon, monday.com will show a list of available column types. Use the search field and type label. When label appears in the results, click it to add that column to your board. The new column will appear alongside your existing columns, ready to be set up for the kind of categories or statuses you want to track. Next, click any cell in the new label column. This opens the label options for that cell. If there are existing labels available, you can select one right away. If the labels do not match what you need, choose Edit Labels. Inside that editor, you can create new labels, rename the ones that are already there, and change their colors. As you update the label options, keep the names clear enough to recognize at a glance. Color changes can also help separate one category from another when you are scanning the board. Monday. Com applies those label settings to the column, so the options you create or rename there become available when you click other cells in the same label column. Once your labels are set up the way you want, close the label editor. You do not need to add another column or repeat the setup unless you want a different set of labels somewhere else on the board. At this point, the new label column is ready to use. You can now click cells in that column and apply the labels you created to individual items on the board. This gives you a consistent way to organize and categorize entries without changing the rest of the board structure. If you need to adjust a label later, open the same label menu again from a cell in that column and make your updates there. Thanks for watching your Monday. .com board now has a label column ready to organize and categorize items.